This is the 2026 Hummer H1, a machine born from military DNA, built for environments that break ordinary vehicles, and reborn for those who demand presence, power, and authority. From the moment it appears, the Hummer H1 doesn't blend in. It stands apart, wide, tall, unapologetically bold. Its iconic box-shaped silhouette remains untouched by trends, because legends don't chase fashion, they define it. Finished in Arctic pearl white, the body reflects American confidence, clean, commanding, and unmistakably premium. Sunlight rolls across exposed rivets and armored panels, reminding you that this isn't decoration, it's construction. Every bolt has a purpose, every surface tells a story. This vehicle wasn't designed to impress parking lots, it was designed to conquer terrain. Oversized all-terrain tires grip the earth with authority. Chrome beadlock wheels shine with controlled aggression, blending raw capability with luxury presence. Heavy-duty bumpers and extreme ground clearance announce one message clearly: nothing stops this machine. As the H1 moves forward, the road disappears, and it doesn't matter, because the Hummer H1 was never meant to follow roads. It creates its own path. Step inside, and the experience transforms without losing its soul. The interior welcomes you with strength, not softness. Premium leather seating in refined gray tones delivers comfort without compromise. This is luxury built on confidence, not fragility. The cabin feels solid, purposeful, commanding. You don't sit in the H1, you take command of it. The wide dashboard reflects military-inspired design, functional, bold, and honest. Controls feel deliberate, switches feel mechanical. Every detail reinforces control. This is a cockpit built for leaders, for drivers who trust capability more than convenience, for those who demand reliability when the world becomes unpredictable. And beneath this commanding presence beats the heart of American muscle, a powerful V8 concept engineered for torque, endurance, and dominance. This isn't about chasing speed records. This is about unstoppable momentum. Press forward, and the Hummer responds with authority. The suspension flexes effortlessly over rocks and uneven terrain. Underbody armor absorbs impact without hesitation. Mechanical systems work in harmony, designed not for show, but for survival. This is engineering with intention. Watch the H1 crawl where others fail. Watch it climb without hesitation. Watch it move forward when logic says stop. On the highway, it demands attention. Off-road, it earns respect. From California coastlines to desert highways, from luxury estates to untouched wilderness, the Hummer H1 belongs everywhere because it answers to no limits. This is not a vehicle for the quiet majority. This is for those who refuse to be ordinary, for those who believe luxury should feel powerful, for those who understand that real confidence doesn't need approval, for those who value authenticity over trends. The 2026 Hummer H1 doesn't whisper sophistication, it announces dominance. As the sun sets behind it, casting long shadows across its armored body, the H1 stands still, not resting, but waiting. Waiting for the next challenge, waiting for the next horizon. Because legends don't retire, they return, stronger, sharper, and more commanding than ever. This is not nostalgia. This is not imitation. This is revival done right. The 2026 Hummer H1 is not built for everyone. It's built for those who demand more. More presence, more power, more truth. Because when strength is real, it doesn't need explanation. 2026 Hummer H1. American muscle, military soul, unstoppable legacy.